Most of the roofing and remodeling companies waste their time on Facebook ads because they are treating Facebook ads like a billboard. The truth is, if you are using the Facebook ads the correct way, you can generate 20, 30, even 50 qualified leads every single month through Facebook ads. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step procedure how to set up a Facebook ads campaign that is profitable and that is scalable. This video is especially for roofing, remodeling, window installation and any other home improvement contractors or companies. This is the best way to run your Facebook ads in 2025. So this is the exact system that brings my clients every single month 20 to 30 high qualified prospects who are ready to buy their services. So in this video I will help you how to set up the entire campaign. So go to Meta Ads Manager. You will come over here. Once you come here, click on create, and in options your campaign objective should be leads. Click on leads, continue, click on manual placements. Don't go with recommended placement. I prefer manual, so I want to set everything by my own, so I'm going with manual placements. This is not for my client. I'm not gonna, it's my ad account, so I'm using it for just testing to show you guys how to set up the meta ads. So okay, let's complete the first. In campaign level, there are three levels in an ad campaign, which is campaign level, ad set level and ad. In campaign level, you should scroll down. The only thing you need to set up is just create it, name it, and you have leads, more options. That's it, you don't need to touch. It looks good. Go to ad set level. Let's change the name to roofing test. Perfect. The next thing, okay, I'm just accepting that. So the next thing, for conversions I'm using instant forms. The reason why is like you can bring the leads to your landing page, you can bring that to WhatsApp or wherever you want, but I prefer instant forms because instant forms gives you a boost when it comes to uh, Facebook ads, because like it is inbuilt in Facebook, so it's easy to fill in, so the people will be staying long for the Facebook ad, like in the Facebook platform. So Facebook recommends your ads to more people, right? That's the reason I'm using it. Choose the page you want to run over here, and the performance goal is to maximize the number of conversion leads. That is what we need. And the next thing is setting up the daily budget. I prefer to set up $50. The reason why is, if you're spending less than 50, it might be difficult to get leads for your company. The reason why I'm telling is like every client of us, they should have a budget of 50 to spend, or else it is very difficult to work with them and guaranteeing them results, right? In your case, like if you don't have that much budget, you can start with 20 or 30. You might get like one or two leads. It depends upon your area, it depends upon the weather. So as you know, like when it comes to roofing, it depends upon the weather conditions, the market. If you take Texas, there are people who are spending like $150 on ad spend per day, and if you're spending only 20, you might not get results. So I want to set a realistic expectations to you. $50 a day is the bare minimum. You can expect like one or two leads. It depends upon your area. I prefer 50 for all of my clients, by the way. So the next thing, the main thing I want to talk to you guys, look like I prefer to start the campaign at the midnight. The reason why, the distribution of the campaign budget will be stable, so It will be very easy if you start at the 6 p.m. in your time, and it calculates 12 a.m., right? 12 a.m. only, like the day was. So what happens is, like, Facebook tried to spend the entire money within that 12 a.m. mark. So it might affect your budget, it might affect your ad spend. That's the reason I'm telling you guys to run the campaign at the midnight, right? So it will be perfect for you guys. Schedule it over here. And the next thing, I'm gonna run the campaign in New York. I'm gonna run this campaign on Long Island, New York. Long Island. Okay, Long Island. Let's run it. So you can set a radius around the city. Like, usually my clients cover over 25 miles around this source area, so I'm keeping here 25 miles. It depends upon you how much area you can cover. Just give the number over here. That's it. The next thing, exclude India. So the minimum age, as you know, the minimum age should be 25. The reason why the minimum age is should be 25, the reason why is most people doesn't have a home unless their age is about 25. That's the reason we have keep it that simple. The preferred language is English, all. So if you want, you can run Hispanic. You can run according to the language as well. That is also possible. But in my case, my clients prefer mostly English, because like everyone speaks English over there. And when it comes to placements, I prefer manual placements. So go to manual, and I don't run ads in audience network. The reason why is like it's not visible to most of the time, and the reason why I avoid any other placement is that retention you are getting in these places doesn't matter, so people are not giving more attention to that. So that's the reason why I'm not running that. I just prefer Facebook feed, Facebook profile feed, Instagram profile feed. Any other place, I just don't want to spend my money. I just want to focus on the place where I can get more attraction. I just want to focus on there. The next thing is ads. Here is the place where you're gonna attach all your creatives, your primary text, the ad copies, and those things. So I prefer, for $50 you can duplicate three to four ad sets. Two I prefer three. Sorry, by the way, I prefer three. I'm just creating three. Let us name that 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Now it's perfect. So I'm gonna include. Okay, let's scroll down. This is the Facebook page. We are going to run the ads. For the Instagram page, currently I don't have one, so it doesn't matter. The next thing is, I just want to run a single image, and I don't want to use the multiple advisors. So which means like your ads will be showing to multiple ads will be shown with your ads. I don't want to do that. And I'm gonna attach an image. I'm gonna add an ad creative over here. Let me upload from my computer. Okay, this image looks good, so I'm gonna take it. So by the way, I have took the image from the web, but usually if you are running your campaigns, use your own images, because like it shows your personal touch. and you might get any trouble because of using other images. Please don't use that. I suggest our clients I get their own images for the ad creatives, which is very good for you because like you can showcase your work. So and for the primary text I have already created one. So this particular primary text is the ad copy which people will read and click on your ad. So this is a very simple ad copy. It is a very simple ad copy. I'm gonna upload a video regarding how to write this particular ad copy. And this ad copy I have mentioned my name because like I don't want to mention any of my clients name or something, so it is an imaginary company. It's a dummy company, to be honest, though. Don't You can use your own name. I can help you with that. If you need this template, uh, drop a comment or text me in Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn as well. I will have all the links in the description. You can message me. I can send you over the exact copies, images, type of images you want to use. I will show that. Cause like we are running in Long Island, I'm just mentioning that over here. Okay, perfect. So the next thing, I prefer to turn on every single enhancements to make maximize Google, like Facebook algorithm, sorry, the Facebook algorithm to boost my ads, right? So that's it. I think like I just need to adjust it. It's fine. Perfect. It's perfect. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to the second ad copy, sorry, the second create. The next is the second creative. I'm adding some creatives, so I'm gonna upload everything over here. So this, in this particular ad, I'm using before and after images, which works pretty good for any industry. Same thing, it's gonna show you the work you have done, so it builds instant connection with your prospects. So that's the reason I'm going with that. Same, I'm gonna just use the same primary text. I don't want to use different things, so I'm gonna run with the same thing. I'm just testing the creatives, not the copy in this stage. The reason why is it, if you can test whatever you want, but I prefer, I'm just testing ad creatives, not the not the not the primary text, by the way. Give me some time. Once everything is done, okay, make sure everything is turned on. Perfect. Third, for the third creative, we are gonna use a video rather than an image, so I'm just gonna add a video over here. Okay, got it. I'm gonna add a video. This is one of my clients video, so it is just their crew working, which works great. The reason why, if because like even though homeowners are not interested in watching that, most of the contractors prefer to watch this and like this, might comment on this. It might be negative or positive, it doesn't matter. You are getting engagement, right? So your ads will be get pushed further. So don't hesitate to show your work. If that is ugly, it doesn't matter, because ugly creatives works better nowadays. I'm running an ugly creative for one of my father's business over here in India. It's performing very good. It's the same business. It's in a roofing manufacturer. We are manufacturing metal sheets over here. So it's a brand that is manufacturing metal sheets. So it's this particular ad, the ugly ad creative, that is a video of just manufacturing things with the raw footage. It's performing well than a good stacked videos, right? It's performing better. I think I just need to adjust. Perfect. I just need to reduce the timing. Let it be. Okay, perfect. We are just changing the timing. It should be 15 seconds. Perfect. We are just processing the videos. Let it take the time. Perfect. Okay. Let's do one thing. I'm gonna re-upload the video. Perfect. Let me reduce the video timing to 15. Okay, 14 seconds. Okay, perfect. I prefer the CTA should be get code, which is the more professional thing. So get code. Okay, this is perfect. Change according to the requirement, and everything is perfect. Now okay, so let us check. As I told you, the call to action should be get code. Check for everything. It should be get code because it is the more professional thing. It appears over here. So let's. The next thing is the destination. In our case, it's instant forms. There are pros and cons for instant forms. The pros are like you can get low cost per lead from like $20 to $30 per lead on instant forms, but the worst part, you might be getting low quality leads. So now I will show you how to create a best lead form that only gives you high quality leads for the price of $20 to $30. So create a form. Let's name it Mukesh form. The next thing is, let's go with, we don't need more volume, we need higher intent. The lead requires to send a OTP. This is a, like, there will be a code up here to their mobile number. I think it's a new option. You can add it. Why not try it? Because like if the person is like giving their one time password like a OTP, right, to submit the lead form, it's a good thing because they are very much interested in that case. The next thing, let's go with manual. I'm gonna set everything, or let's keep it optimized. Go next. The headline I have already created. The headline for this, the headline is gonna be, sorry, uh, the headline is gonna be the same headline we are using over here. So the next thing is a simple description, the reason why we are collecting this information, which makes sense if to just guide the homeowners, the reason why we are asking for the information. It's like to get a consent, being a more professional way right? So for that, and there are four questions I mainly ask. The reason why is like currently you can't in Facebook. The reason usually I ask four important questions. Is your home located in Long Island? The reason why I'm asking this particular question, this might sound silly. The reason why I'm asking this question, Facebook has changed many things in the past. Currently my clients are getting the leads that doesn't live in Long Island, a place we are not running the ads currently. The reason why is the Facebook have removed the option where we can target people who are living in that particular area alone, but now it's not there, because like people are traveling from one place to another. If people came to the vacation in Long Island, they moved back to Miami, people, this ads are showing up to them to segment and disqualify them, right? For that I'm asking this question. So let me copy it. So the next thing is questions. I'm gonna add multiple choice questions. Yes, is your home located in Long Island? As, if they click as, it will come to the next question, and if they click no, they will be automatically disqualified, right? So that is the purpose of we are using this particular question. Again, the multiple choice question. The next thing is about the roof. How old is their roof? Let me copy it. It's pretty simple to ask few questions about their roof. If they doesn't know that, it doesn't matter. It's just to collect some informations to get our contractors know about the customer, right, about the property condition before getting into on-site estimation or going for an appointment, right? The next thing is, these are all the questions I usually ask the homeowners to qualify them. Let me get done with this. You guys can just copy all the questions, because these questions are working very good when it comes to roofing. If you're a roofing contractor or a marketing agency who's gonna run ads for roofing contractor, trust me, this is working perfectly fine. The next and final question is how urgently they need a estimation. So this is the reason why I'm asking the question is, my client wants only people who want to buy the roof urgent, right? He's only looking for these people. If they are price kickers, he doesn't want them. So I usually use this, and now I will teach you how to qualify them and disqualify them. I will teach you the process of that. Let's go over here. Let's enable the main option, conditional logic. Now you can see, so if they click on S, it will go to the second question, and if they click on no, it will go to a close form, right? It will end the form and people will not able to attend that. Here we can just go to the next question, because it's just for collecting the information. Apply to all questions. Here the same, go to the next question, apply to all, and the final question, if people are just exploring, I want to disqualify them, and here they can go to submit, right? Submit form and one. Okay, it's perfect. Here I want to collect their name, email and phone number. Here as well I have to give a description. So I'm just going to give that. And for privacy policy, you can use any of your website. In my case, I'm going to use one of my profiles. The next thing, okay, everything is ready. And if you want to connect this lead to your messenger, you can connect that as well. In my case, I just want to connect, I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to create the lead form. Let's check everything is perfect once. Yes, it looks perfect to me. Okay, perfect, it's perfect to me. I'm just going to create all lead form. That's it, the Facebook ads is ready. So so hey, the Facebook ads campaign structure is completed. Then click on publish and your ads will go live once everything is done. The main thing comes with the follow up. So if you are not following up with the leads good enough, you will not able to close the leads. So just follow up with the leads, call the leads within 5 minutes, or else the leads might be dead. The reason why I'm telling you is like our clients call the leads within 5 minutes. So if they couldn't do that, we will give them a AI voice agent that calls the lead within 10 to 15 seconds to keep them as a warm lead and book them an appointment. This is the exact system that is bringing our clients 20 to 30 high qualified appointments every single month. And if you want the exact voice agent and the personalized systems that helps our clients to scale to multiple six figures, click the first link in the description, book a call with me.